Down. For now, breaking updates coming in from West Bengal of the TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee asking all candidates to keep an eye on their respective strong rooms. All candidates have been instructed to share hourly updates to the party's state leadership. Mamata Banerjee herself has passed this instruction following the late-night drama that unfolded in Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee herself was also in one of the strong rooms housing the EVMs, where she stood vigil for 3 to 4 hours. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh joining us with the updates. So, Rajesh, clearly the showdown continues. What is the direction that Mamata Banerjee has given to the TMC leaders?
Absolutely. After the late night drama yesterday, now TMC has instructed all of their candidates to keep an eye on the strong rooms from today onwards. And all the candidates of ruling party Trinamool Congress have been asked by its by their higher authority, by the state leadership, to keep an eye on their respective strong rooms, whether it's experiencing in load shedding or the CCTV cameras are turning off or not. If they find something like this, then they have to take serious note regarding these incidents, and they have to file a report before their state leadership within no time. And all the candidates of Trinamool Congress have been asked by their leadership to keep an eye on the strong rooms outside also, where security arrangements have been made by state police as well as the central security police, because TMC is now alleging that central security forces are being used by Election Commission on the instruction of central ruling party Bharatiya Janata Party to tamper the ballots as well. So based on the allegation, now TMC candidates are looking, they're keeping an eye at the respective strong rooms, and they have also been asked to prepare a report every hour. They have been asked to send the report every hour to the state leadership, following which, based on the reports, a final report will be submitted before the Supremo of Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee herself.
Okay, all right. So she herself will be looking at these reports, asking all party workers, party leaders to be vigilant. So this showdown still continues. Rajesh, stay with us. Let's play out some of the political reactions that have been coming in from West Bengal.
Right from the SIR process to the amount of security that was pushed into West Bengal, and to the way Election Commission has been behaving, it looks very biased, one-sided. They're using all the tools that they have within their control to try and change the dynamics of West Bengal. That's unlikely to happen, and it is the alert people of TMC as alert people of West Bengal which will ensure that the BJP is defeated.
कि अगर इल्जाम लगा रहा है तो इलेक्शन कमीशन को इसका उत्तर देना चाहिए. अगर हम सर्टिफाइड नहीं, हमारा कहना ये है कि आप हमारे ईवीएम के साथ छेड़छाड़ कर रहे हैं, हमारे ईवीएम को हमारे आंख के सामने होना चाहिए. जितने भी विधायक लड़े हुए हैं, जहां उसका स्ट्रांग रूम में जो ईवीएम रखा गया है, उसमें विधायक को बैठना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसका वो मत है ना, वो चुनाव लड़ा है.
स्ट्रांग रूम में बाहर अनऑथराइज्ड लोग घुस गए थे. इसको लेके कुणाल घोष और शशि पांजा ने उधर जाके प्रोटेस्ट किया और धरना भी दिया. पता नहीं क्या करने चाहते हैं. ऑब्वियसली कुछ लोग काउंटिंग प्रोसेस को टेम्पर करने चाहते हैं. हमारा शंका है, संदेह है कि बीजेपी काउंटिंग प्रोसेस में कुछ करना चाहता है. इसलिए मुख्यमंत्री सब लोग को चेतावनी दिए हैं कि सावधान से रहे.
देखिए, ममता दीदी ने जिस तरह से पूरी रात उनके लोगों ने स्ट्रांग रूम का निगरानी करा है, क्योंकि ये जो चोर डकैत हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन के लिए, ये कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आप इलेक्शन कमीशन तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ तो है ही, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मालूम है कि चुनाव वो हार रही है, तो चुनाव जीतने के लिए अब इलेक्शन कमीशन का ही सहारा बचा हुआ है. तो जो डकैती पूरे देश में डालते रहे, लोगों की जेब पे डालते रहे, किचन के अंदर डालते रहे भाजपा वाले, वो चाहते हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल का चुनाव उनके हाथ में आ जाए.